front of me is TECNO SPARK GO, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Security. Then click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, tap on Enroll Face at the top. Now you can click on this switcher next to Security Restrictions to switch them off or on. Read all of those disclaimers and instructions and click on Start at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from the screen. Now tap on one of those options to set up the best one for you. I will go with Unlock Screen. Hit Done. And then manage all of those options however you want to as well. Finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!